As some of you may or may not know about me through listening to my first speech this semester, I love anything from photography to poetry to drawing and painting. Being that I love the visual arts so much, it would only make sense for me to talk about my favorite photographer, Annie Leibovitz. According to theartstory.org, she was born in Waterbury, Connecticut in 1949. This would make her 71 years old presently. Her love for the arts was heavily encouraged and introduced by her mother Marilyn, who worked as a dance instructor. During her early years, she had additionally spent a lot of time moving to accommodate her father Sam. He had a career as a member of the U.S. Air Force, so when she first started taking photos in the 1960s, her father was stationed in the Philippines. The photo seen here is an example of one of the photos that she had acquired during her time there. Soon after, she began to study painting at the San Francisco Art Institute in the hopes of landing a career as an art teacher. During her second term at the institute, though, she attended a photography workshop, and she loved this workshop so much that it persuaded her to promptly switch her major, and so she began taking classes that she was even more passionate about. In the midst of her academics, she was hired by Rolling Stone magazine after showing them a photo she had taken of a well-known American poet named Allen Ginsberg, and her image was on the front cover of the magazine's following issue. By her early 20s, she had claimed the title of chief photographer for Rolling Stone and was taking photos of many other famous icons. Throughout her time working for the magazine, unfortunately, Leibovitz had many drug abuse issues. She overdosed on 2 occasions and had allegedly sold all of her photography paraphernalia for cocaine. After receiving help and becoming sober, she accepted a position at Vanity Fair, another magazine. Because of the higher budget, Leibovitz had much more flexibility creatively and was able to produce iconic photos like this one on the left of Caitlyn Jenner and this one on the right of Jennifer Lawrence. Now that you have gotten to know Annie Leibovitz a bit better, I'd like to conclude with one of her own quotes, which I can very much relate to. When I say I want to photograph someone, what it really means is that I'd like to know them. Anyone I know, I photograph.